Hello, welcome to Bespoke Home 2022 Media Day. It is great to see you all again. Today, we will celebrate the best innovations in home appliances and define how they will help change the way we live. Over the years, spending more time indoors led us to discover new ways to make home life more efficient and visually pleasing. When we first introduced Bespoke, our mission was to reimagine what a home appliance should look like and do. And since its launch, nearly 2 million Bespoke refrigerators have been sold worldwide. Now, Samsung offers a more holistic home experience. We have applied the Bespoke approach, not only to the kitchen, but also to clothing care, floor care, and air care. And we are proud to share that our Bespoke products are currently available in over 50 markets worldwide. Like never before, we are scaling up our Bespoke offerings and inviting consumers to be part of the Bespoke Home experience. Bespoke Home 2022 will transform and expand the home experience in 3 areas: space, experience, and time. First, the expansion of space will see Bespoke appliances throughout the home, complete with over 20 product categories, upgraded functions, brilliant new color themes, and vast design options. And we are so happy to announce that Bespoke laundry products will be available in the US and Europe soon. Second is the expansion of experience. This will offer customers even greater connected convenience by customizing home living through AI and smart things. Integrated solutions all in one app. I am very proud to launch Smart Things Home Life in almost 100 countries this month. Smart Things Home Life includes 6 services: cooking, energy, clothing care, pet care, air care, and home care. It can easily turn your house into a smart home, making daily chores more present. Last, the expansion of time will allow consumers to use their Bespoke appliances longer to match their changing lifestyles. Samsung has fortified Bespoke home products with durability and reliability. Our digital inverter technology comes with a 20-year warranty, the longest we have ever offered. So, we are helping users create everyday sustainability at home by saving energy and reducing waste with our appliances. Samsung is committed to giving consumers more diverse choices, amplifying lifestyle experiences, and providing endless possibilities. With that, let's open Bespoke Home 2022, where it all comes together.
Hi, I'm Christina Cabbiati. The first change Bespoke brings is an expansion of space. This year, we're expanding beyond the kitchen to living appliances, enabling a richer and more fulfilling home life experience. Since we first launched Bespoke, it has resonated with consumers seeking diverse options and has been recognized with multiple design awards. Most recently, Fast Company named Samsung among the most innovative design companies of 2022. You'll wonder how you ever lived without Bespoke. The expansion of space starts in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Our first Bespoke refrigerator launched in Europe, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and North America. And this year, we are continuing to add innovation to our kitchen package for our Bespoke customers, especially in the European market. We're especially excited to launch the AI-powered Bespoke Oven in Europe. The all-new Bespoke ovens come with our unique AI Pro Cooking technology. You can connect your oven to the SmartThings app on your phone. That lets you control settings remotely and view the progress of your cooking through the internal cameras. AI Pro Cooking can also recognize the ingredients. It optimizes the settings and monitors the food for you to keep it from being over or undercooked. Now, let's talk about Sense to Open feature. You can conveniently open the door with just one touch. That innovation enables elegantly minimalist design with a handleless flat door. The Bespoke Oven's dual cook steam feature lets you prepare healthy steam dishes and oven-cooked foods using different settings at the same time. In the second half, we will launch a new dishwasher, compact oven, and induction cooktop. This will let you mix and match the various colors available so you can freely reflect your personal aesthetic and lifestyle. Let's take a look at our stylish offerings for US kitchens. Say hello to our innovative Bespoke French door refrigerator. This stylish unit comes in 3-door and 4-door variations and is also available in select markets in Europe. And it will make its way to more markets later this year. This refrigerator series allows you to create a stylish and unique kitchen space with customizable panel combinations in premium steel and sleek glass finishes. And new colors, including charcoal, clementine, sunrise yellow, morning blue, and emerald green. The French door refrigerator is part of a bespoke kitchen package that also includes a dishwasher, range, and over-the-range microwave, available in new colors such as white and navy. And that's not all. We have something really big in store for your laundry needs. We're excited to announce that we'll be bringing our AI-powered bespoke washer and dryer to you in North America and Europe in the coming months. We're redefining laundry with a clean and elegant flat panel design that is so beautiful front and back, you'll want to show it off. You'll also have the flexibility to install your washer and dryer together, either horizontally or vertically, to suit your space. You can also choose from a variety of premium colors to create a laundry space that truly fits your style. The 5.3 cubic foot ultra capacity saves time and effort. You can wash more items in a single load, and that means fewer loads. You no longer need to worry about wash quality because our upgraded AI OptiWash optimizes washing performance for each load. AI OptiWash takes the guesswork out. It monitors the soil level during the cycle to adjust the detergent amounts and washing time if necessary. We have improved this feature to detect and classify the type of laundry you're doing, like towels or delicates, to increase the efficiency of the cycle. You also don't need to add detergent each time because the auto dispense system holds and automatically dispenses up to 32 loads of detergent and softener. We also have a bespoke dryer for North America. It is equipped with our AI Optimal Dry technology that automatically chooses the perfect drying cycle for you. Its advanced moisture sensor and AI work together to detect the condition of a load based on changes in moisture level and intelligently optimize the drying performance. On Super Speed Dry, you can dry a full load in just 30 minutes and achieve a complete wash and dry in under an hour together with a Super Speed washer. Our new Smart Dial front load washers and dryers use AI to help automate the task of doing laundry. They learn and recommend your preferred cycles and settings and prioritize them on your cycle list for a truly personalized experience. Both the bespoke washer and dryer will be available in elegant color options such as brushed black, brushed navy, and silver steel. And in the latter half of this year in Europe, we will be launching a new bespoke washer and dryer. The washer and dryer will both be equipped with our latest energy-saving technologies and eco-conscious functions. EcoBubble mixes air, water, and detergent to create bubbles that wash your clothes at cooler temperatures to save energy. AI Wash uses sensors to detect weight and soil level to dispense the right amount of water and detergent. SpaceMax technology offers larger capacity with the same depth. Our digital inverter technology comes with a 20-year warranty, the longest we have ever offered. To elevate your home space even further, we've added another tier. These products are currently available in Korea, providing timeless value and distinctive infinite design, which fits seamlessly into your space with vertical lines, beautiful materials, and refined finishing. The new Bespoke Infinite line will feature a refrigerator, oven, and hood made with high-end materials that are both durable and stylish. This premium lineup is available in timeless aluminum, ceramic, and luxe metal finishes, and in new sophisticated colors, such as timeless greige, timeless charcoal, Sarah Black, Sarah White, and luxe metal. To take that to the next level, we've invited consumers and designers from around the world to truly tap into Bespoke's power of customization and make it their own. Beyond a variety of colors and finishes, we've explored the endless possibilities of bespoke design through collaborations and competitions. We started in Korea in 2019 with some of the most creative minds in design to highlight the personalization and modularity opportunities of bespoke refrigerators. In 2021, we worked with designers Thibaut Arem and Andy Rementer to offer limited edition designs, which have since expanded globally. This March in the US, we launched a limited edition bespoke fridge by Alex Proba, whose work explores joy and happiness using colorful patterns inspired by nature. And last month in the UK, we released a bespoke Jubilee collection commemorating the Queen's 70th anniversary. We have also invited people from all over the world to be bespoke panel designers. Last year, we held a design challenge, #BespokeDesignByYou, asking people to submit their own unique designs for the bespoke refrigerator. And more recently, our bespoke fans in Singapore and Dubai have taken part in the challenge too. In addition to diverse design options, we now offer the Bespoke AI color recommendation service in Korea. Users simply upload a photo of their kitchen, which is then analyzed by AI to provide custom color suggestions to complement their space. These options include color recommendations selected by design experts and the global paint company Benjamin Moore. Through this service, we are providing personalized recommendations to elevate your custom interior kitchen designs. We're also taking personalization to the next level. This year, we are introducing My Bespoke, which offers the option to have your original artwork or favorite personal photos custom printed on the French doors of bespoke refrigerators. To help inspire creativity, we collaborated with 3 creators to showcase their personalized My Bespoke designs in May. And by the end of this year, Bespoke customers will be able to customize their one-of-a-kind bespoke fridge on Samsung.com in North America. The possibilities are endless when it comes to Bespoke's ability to inspire self-expression. Here's Mac to tell you more.
Hi, I'm Mac Isaac. Let me focus on the second point, the expansion of experience with smart technology. Introducing Samsung SmartThings Home Life, a new addition to the SmartThings app, now provides centralized and integrated control over your bespoke appliances across 6 services for a more holistic experience. With more than 200 global partners and the ability to integrate with thousands of devices, SmartThings is enjoyed by close to 250 million registered users. It will be just like having someone to help you with your household chores without you even thinking about it. Let's start in the kitchen. Your culinary journey becomes easier and more enjoyable with SmartThings cooking service. This service allows you to find recipes, send the settings to the devices, manage your shopping list, and share those recipes with friends. With this smart solution, you can enjoy cooking with our bespoke family hub, range, oven, and cooktop in your kitchen. What does every home use? Electricity, of course. So, why not use it intelligently? SmartThings Energy monitors and manages the power usage of your home appliances with saving mode and checks your usage patterns. The service supports virtually all bespoke devices throughout the kitchen, living, and laundry areas. Speaking of the laundry, you can keep your clothes in pristine shape with SmartThings Clothing Care. The service supports your bespoke washer, dryer, hairdresser, and shoe dresser with useful AI recommendations, customized clothing care settings, and timely purchases of laundry supplies. Samsung knows how much you care about your pets too. SmartThings Pet Care helps keep an eye on them through the smart camera of your bespoke JetBot AI Plus, even while you're away, allowing you to monitor them remotely. It makes sure your pets are comfortable by controlling your bespoke air purifier and air conditioner, and can help them relax by turning on music and the TV. Not only do your pets appreciate clean air, we know you do too. That's where SmartThings Air Care can help. You can enjoy air quality monitoring and purifying as it provides centralized control of your bespoke air conditioner, air purifier, and more. Finally, SmartThings Home Care helps by always monitoring your devices, checking their status and usage patterns, providing information about accessories, and enabling convenient online purchases. This AI-powered service works with all bespoke appliances. With these SmartThings services, you can manage your daily routines with ease and convenience. This expands your home life experience, giving you more holistic control over all your bespoke appliances straight from your smartphone. Let's meet my friend Jason. He's getting ready for his housewarming and he's just come home with stuff for the party. It's hot out and Jason is sweating, but he knew his dog Ruby was comfortable at home. That's because he took advantage of SmartThings Pet Care to check on her and keep her comfortable and entertained. Now it's time for Jason to start cooking for the party. He enjoys using the SmartThings cooking service. He's decided to whip up some shrimp quesadillas, a recommendation from Smart Recipe in the Bespoke Family Hub. He didn't even have to go grocery shopping. He just added items from the recipe to the shopping list and SmartThings cooking service ordered from Amazon Fresh. Too easy. Jason uses View Inside to see the contents of his refrigerator at any time and check the expiration dates for buying fresh ingredients. He doesn't even have to worry about ordering new water filters. With SmartThings and Amazon Smart Reorders, it will be automatically reordered. Now, Bixby is telling him what to do step by step. He can also send the recipe instructions directly to other bespoke appliances. It can even preheat his bespoke oven, making meal prep easy and fun. And even more fun? Jason won't miss a minute of the big game while he's cooking. He can enjoy it on the upgraded Samsung TV Plus, a free streaming service with over 100 channels, also available on Samsung TVs and smartphones. Now he's really cooking. Uh-oh, I think Jason might have forgotten to prep his outfit. That's okay. He loves being able to do laundry quickly while he's cooking food, thanks to SmartThings Clothing Care. The app provides AI recommendations, suggesting cycles based on today's weather and usage patterns. Today is the day Jason needs to wash and dry his linen shirt and pants, in time for his party. Good thing he already has a custom cycle for that, already saved as party outfit. He can save up to 10 personalised custom cycles based on his preferences. With all his cooking and laundry going on, there are smells, smoke and dust in the air. Not to worry, throughout the home, SmartThings Air Care automatically monitors and optimises his home's air quality and can activate ventilation. Jason may have used up a lot of energy today, but his appliances sure didn't. SmartThings Energy uses its AI saving mode to reduce energy bills. Do you hear that noise? Looks like Jason forgot to close the fridge door all the way. Not a problem, because his bespoke refrigerator registers temperature changes and alerts him via SmartThings. Alright, now we see the food is cooked, the outfit is ready, and the air is fresh and clean. Good luck with your party, Jason. Thanks for the invite. I'll see you in a few. SmartThings continues to innovate with the aim of simplifying everyday tasks so that you can enjoy your everyday home life. Here's another way SmartThings is making a difference. We formed a partnership with the automation company ABB to expand SmartThings integration. This will enable SmartThings to control and monitor Samsung devices and ABB products. By combining smart home solutions with SmartThings, we will expand the SmartThings experience, making it easier for our customers to reduce costs and live more sustainably.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Dobson. Bespoke also provides an expansion of time, with products designed and built to endure, helping us to protect the planet for generations to come. Today, I want to share our efforts to create a more sustainable product lifecycle, from production and delivery to product use and disposal. We strive to prevent soil contamination by minimizing waste such as glass or gypsum fragments generated during production at our factories. We are recycling liquid materials such as waste oil and paint to create reusable fuels in innovative ways. For example, our Korean plant achieved a waste recycling rate of 93% in 2019 and increased it to 98% in 2021. Now we want to get as close to 100% as possible by 2024. After manufacturing various products, we also strive to take an eco-conscious approach in how we deliver them to our customers. We believe it's important to reduce our dependency on natural resources. Samsung is also expanding its use of eco-packaging to encompass a larger lineup of products. Home appliances such as vacuum cleaners, air purifiers, and more will come in boxes that customers can repurpose. We are also in the process of reducing the use of printed manuals and improving QR code usability. Now it's easier than ever to download a digital copy of our product manuals. Once our products are delivered, our customers are assured that their product experience will be sustainable as well. A key area in these endeavors is enhancing the energy efficiency of the appliances. Our refrigerators reduce energy consumption by 67%, and our washing machines cut energy by 53%, thanks to our key technologies, including digital inverter compressor and eco-bubble technology. All these continuous efforts have resulted in Energy Star certification. For example, 100% of our front-load washers and dishwashers, as well as 91% of our refrigerators sold in the US, are Energy Star certified. Samsung is also helping consumers save energy more conveniently and effectively with our expanded SmartThings Energy service. For instance, SmartThings Energy can turn off unused devices when you're away, and it even turns down the blinds when the sun is high and your air conditioners are on. To further encourage sustainable consumption habits, we're extending the warranty period for core components, such as the digital inverter compressor for European refrigerators and the digital inverter motor for washing machines sold in Europe and made in the US. Durability is another key pillar here, as products last longer and do not need to be replaced or repaired often. That's why we designed products like Bespoke Refrigerator, with panels and modular lineup that are easy to update as your home aesthetic changes and your household grows over time. In addition to energy efficiency and long-lasting durability, we are working to make sure our products don't pollute either. So we're collaborating with the Patagonia activewear brand to develop a specialized washer that reduces the release of ocean microplastics based on our revolutionary eco-bubble technology. This washer will be available later this year in Korea, and we're planning to make it available in global markets in the near future. As part of the final phase of our product's lifecycle, we help customers dispose of them in a sustainable way. In over 50 countries, users are able to dispose of their used appliances without cost. We then are able to restart the product lifecycle by transporting them to recycling centers, where they will be recycled and repurposed as new products. As further evidence of how we're bringing this to life, we are working on an eco-conscious partnership with smart building company Etopia. on a pilot site in the UK in collaboration with Qcells. We are combining energy, construction, and smart technologies to create the net zero buildings of the future. It is one that utilizes energy drawn from the home itself by producing power through renewables like solar and reducing consumption through more efficient devices like our heat pump system. You can look forward to these net zero homes that will create carbon-free communities in the second half of this year. Simply put, our appliances are designed to be flexible, durable, and most importantly, sustainable. And that is the foundation of Samsung Bespoke Home. And now back to J.S. Lee to close things out.
Hello again. We hope you enjoyed today's close look at the expansion of space, experience, and time with Samsung Bespoke. We put our customers at the center of everything we do, creating a new paradigm for meaningful and fulfilling home living, where customization meets smart technology. Customizable and changeable bespoke products have longer warranties for core technology. That means customers will save resources through their life stages. That's great for our customers and for the planet. And we will continue to transform the industry paradigm to create better value for our customers, even beyond the bespoke. There is so much to look forward to. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time.